Shwa bangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpek, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, pen yo kloy ki kubor na ke jela.
Untak sngi ka apawiterik rumpang, ubeni ki RTI activist, ba John F. Rambai, bujulong teng ro unong kayi doyong, ulawan kendo ikilat patay kubor, ban menchay padba halok jinglap RTI jungu, kabay de bat kajing kayi to yo doyong. Loi thu badan kumalai tili department ki badan bentah kakam kayi to yo doyong.
Coal, limestone, bon ki long illegal transportation of Meghalaya, kamtam hakini ki arsenal siteng. Te bale bangan hakwan hakmat tempi ki press kalong ba ngashim ya kane galat bagane kade gari demokrasi, kade demokratik. Ngamla bang syong hapo sekretariat hapo assembly ban yakun persya yaki te ngashim ba kane ka RTI ka bangale manga une ukulam bangala penenkam in rebilut sa kapartai bahadu katno kaskam Meghalaya kadon bat kane ga bahe tam kaskam nong ipi kane to kerteng junga kade John Frankie Rambai nanong po ngasi tray eksportor ru ngaset penyak doyong hagis nang pemenswa di Henry Handin bagala jur pelat kane ka jinglong illegal po Meghalaya ang semula syukun tray to ngalale ika RTI inquiry haka arku kendai tarik September ajar arku ka RTI junga kade ke Department Mining and Geology Government of Meghalaya haka be day but auction coal blale ka coal India lengbaka DMR di kane ke department haka RTI ngalap baka portfolio babat kane ke department it is in the hand of kade ka chief minister jungi di kontrak sangma chairman de ba jigur marthong bat ki officer ki bangin non kam tan bangun short teng te haka RTI ka bangalap mga kani ka page ka baki respond yang kala long lupa violate of the norm ba ichisa ka RTI habang pan ha art konda tarik September la de ban reply yang within given time kata ka disi benai henry ki delay hadu kendai ko sni kidang ai ka RTI yang ki sen yang haka arku sau tarik December tik sawan syuti Christmas New Year ngadang you receive haka ya ka kopi na po department hadu January sautere balik ile kumta namar ba nganam yo tan ban interfere ya ka kam ba ki penya yo doyong kelas dang penya ka ar penyo tarik December da ka shalan jong ready sutengah dengan ong ip menta ba ka iko point ka bangalak mga as per information RTI Act 2005 applied by me on 29 September from Mining and Geology Department, which is under the portfolio in charge by our Chief Minister Sri Kontrak Sangma, the successful bidder of the auction of coal India Limited, the successful bidder ki bidding, ki job eka bidding, ki try salan ki bangiong. All over Meghalaya, mday tang na clear na was parok ko Meghalaya, they are equally accountable, nexus with the government to manipulate the system, to be corrupted with the blessing of the government, political vendetta, political thief. Ka question junga sa DMR kadon hadu arpun tali ngan su ai piki point ki blalong violet pelan. Question number 13 ngakali ki please provide the information whether any weighman slip has been enclosed along with the transit pass. Give in detail the weighman slip issued to each truck along with the truck number. M. Completely violated. Point 13. As per the information asked by me in standard operation procedure, which is with you, no weightman slip has been supplied to me by the department. By not supplying and enclose the weightman slip of each truck enclosed in a transport permit to designated depot. So point 13 has been completely violated against the Supreme Court order SOP. Kalong bakim la abang ayang aki slip, jong ki weightman slip kita kisalan ki ay barok namar bakaron ka illegal. So question number 4 kalakali ki please supply the CCTV camera video footage to all the concerned weight bridge for the entire designated depot where the coal is either brought in and also when the coal is lifted or evacuated for transportation. Give in detail. Kani kalong bakat kum ke SOP katuka kateki commission whatsoever kalau ong bade mendon ki CCTV camera habaki tiap yo doyong habaki yai kini kimdon kai ka bang inspect mga hantay hapo umling hapo lata syarabat kiwi ki kata ki long kiton ki CCTV kamera kita ki server ki ai bro kamtan hapo DMR pindalek dan check ki kim function kasulong ka public waste of money kaslong waste kapisal kim function kita kim penrekam kim sejenjari lah dia to question number 14 kata kaspang ka CCTV camera, it is completely violated by the concerned department mining and geology along with the transport department. Minister in charge of mining and geology is our chief minister, Chairman Jigur Martham, transport department Sri Dasakyat Lamare. Point number 17. Whether the mineral transport challan has been countersigned by the official of Coal India Limited post at the weight bridge of the designated depot, give in detail of each countersigned mineral transport challan. Point 17 also is violated. I have been asking information from the concerned department about countersign of the mineral transport challan. Kanero kilong violated. The simple masyong IP ba, it is clearly shown that whatever illegal transportation is carried out is with full knowledge of Chief Minister and Minister in charge of Mining and Geology, Conrad Sangma. Along with his advisor, ex-transport minister hakapor jong iru ka dawyong kalayak illegal, that is nyaw halang dar, mentau de Dasakyat, to dem government syuru. Last but not the least, the groundwork for the illegal transportation, this is very important. If the government is complete the paperwork, what about the groundwork? Who collect the money from the traders? What we find, according to evidence, when we arrest truck along with Hito, so many times, we found that the amount of collection of money that is amounting 1 lakh rupees for 14 and 16 tire, 60 ton is 1 lakh rupees. What they have to whom they are paying this money? They are paying at Kriryat to MLA people, his close aide. Who is the MLA in Kriryat? You find out. His close aides are collecting the entry amount. And from West Khasi Hill, we find that Dominic Martham. Who is Dominic Martham? Dominic Martham is related to Jigur Martham. When we arrest truck, when we detain them, when we question the driver, Challan is the name of Dominic Martham. So I will tell here clearly that the violation of the SOP and the scam in Meghalaya is equally accountable by the bidder, successful bidder of the Challan all over Meghalaya. Point number 25 and 26 is very important to tell you. I have been asked that please provide information for each GPS device number and GPS SIM number installed and activate against each truck. Give in detail. Point 25 and 26 has not been supplied as per RTI filed by me. Application point 25 and 26 department could not supply information as by me. Balay kimla aban ay kan GPS kadaw kolong ba katrok ka sulong by outlaw mdon GPS mdon Challan. Now, ladani ya keren menta. What about all over Meghalaya? According to the RTI, the scam under two departments, that is mining and geology and transport department. The scam is being done all over Meghalaya. Borak tuwag Meghalaya kile scam. Di kumno kiyo la pemle scam namar ki paperwork la le the department, and then ki try Challan ki bayo kiyo blessing na ki political na kita ki minister ki bolong hakane ka department bakin yo ban penyat illegally. Dengan ong ipi ka jingdu nong hangne kan de ka state ya ki small miner ngingin nem priang ya ta ka sispa hektar ngin saya kun. Ngin saya kun ya kan ka illegal mining syakut ru ngin salia. Namar ba man gas ngi su ipi ki perlak projor ki berit beria ki batrekin kwa bakan don ta ka mining ka basis 4%. Bakan ong ipi kan ka government MDA khamtam kini ki department transport mining and geology kinnem ko implement ni ka mining policy balay nabla implement no kinnem yok shu ban kamai illegal kumne how much the illegal kabalik not less than 1,000 crore ngan ipi ka state ka shimram man ka snen ngasno ka arspa crore ka saus pa crore ka sans pa crore ka ba illegally la de kamai lupashi 1,000 crore they who collect the money in other part of Meghalaya ha kidon kini ki scam ban shim na kitrap na ipi baro hai ki mi khmat be de ki prujung ki minister te hanne ka pau shai kedar ba ka department ba bat hidu chief minister kalong highly complicated corrupted manipulate nang ta pada ki don ru ki close aid ki jong u ngalabat nang hadu baki advisor to chief minister gidi ba minito napo ekakam. Then ka police department ngimla bernai ka safe passage hi yakini kitrok illegal la ai hi de ka police department. That is very questionable ba barok ki district kitrok ki yat sahu. Tela da phikwa banla ka kata ka high level hi laju buri bha ladang akran ka district ke jonga ka de hari boy. Kumno ki buri ikini ki high level trok jingsi sha ka trok habadon shalan ka de ban yat kat kum ka ton ka balabu da ka SOP. Totip ma phiki press ba hadu menta ar hajar ar phau lai menta ka de nem. Nadu bapas ka judgment 19 Julai jong ka Supreme Court 4 jusya bangkit daw yung palat ka khat arton henraya barok bakiam ka hito bakiam mangi ngimko akan haras gitroy daw yung gitry trop kam 4 juton kata khat arton barok bet ka deka rupautan lane lai ku sauton collection ka dei baik either 1 lakh lane 80,000 haegi kolek rukan batai ti kapisa lada la ai ki bru minister kandai pun riu hajar lane nyo pun riu hajar ha clear yat ha west ka sihil ha weight bridge ru ha su pisa ar hajar tangka ha weight bridge wat jusung thu bakala bandon ki bru ka DMR lane ki bru juga transport department kin don ba ki bru di minister ha po weight bridge tu kin le kumno kin check i truck number taka ai pade ka duty jongki officer habang ngadon ke question ki officer ma check kli ki mo ki ongin le kumno ba jon ni hapslong tam binong pekai ki di nagalian ki enforcement hapori bhairu kim try kami ai hapo kata nagalian ki inspector jong ka DMR ru kim try kami ai hapo kata kita rekam baik de buru minister ban check ki number kali ka bamdon ka number kali kamun ka de ka basuan kham su pisa either na po East Gentia lanena West Gentia tengi lap baik badon kiti baik ki buru minister bat bun sin kini gisalan kilong related baik bayo baik de ki buru minister te kini gisalan hangne kila penyelam bak bakla bak postung syom bang yak salan MP kat kum ka RTI hang ne bat ngadon ka video footage ka bangala kan share ya phishibit kalong ba during model code of conduct today 21st mentang adang wana nong po kitrok dan sahu kedang yat ship hoteli ai bat menin met kum ta man damit like house of hoteli during model code of conduct last week adang det ban detain po kata hawit bridge kadang don ka jing ya kendang ya kita kiwan kita kitrok kiba claim shalan lada kali kidai kitrok high level the high level is very questionable to tip wa orang ipim dan kam su panya tro mo social media high level hi kadai department mining and geology wala bat dau chief minister namta transport department labat dau da sekian and home minister laneka law department labat tiba la kemen rumboi te ngin man kam man yakran ye ta ki bru jongki ba pni ai po madan namar kidai tan ki leman kidai ta ki close associate jongki teka blame he borok ngan blame sakani ke department ba kini ki political thief kila pelong ya kaspa jong ka Meghalaya jong ka yo ka kot jong ka state kum ka kamai ka ji jong ki ta ki jok MLA na ka daw na kum concern citizen nga shim ba ngan ya kun daw kulom borok sam sina menis kmat dawan kano go government ru jaka ba pin ya bunkam ban ya le illegal ban ya kamai sa ka pla ka jong pi ya kun penban ba pin penyok klo-klo ya ka mining policy ka bayarap yo untuk usuk nginda pendang sentiu lem kumta ngingimla masyong po sekretariat nama ngimla ngimde ki MLA tingin ya kun ya pina sabar ba don bok bangidon ni ka RTI at don bok bangidon ni PK Media don bok bangidon ya ka kod badan burom lada dangdon kum kini ki AKA klempet ngan move shaput baik ya ki weight bridge bat kita ki department yo ibe kadon ka GST department ka ba check ki kitrok ki bakit mar mata check GST ya ka trok daw yong pada kimla ban kata ka de omling kimla ban kata trok daw yong henre ka GST ha ka daw yong ni bo sa ki kadon ka GST ha daw yong kai ka question hamne ga ule ayu to commissioner bade jong ka GST ha bo Meghalaya jongi who is the minister in charge jong ka GST ha to kini kim don kitila bale kalong no silyang se kamlong no Australia nakataman ong ipi ngangan ye kun nang is kmat san sinem dawan kano sarkar ru ba lada ngaku concern citizen ngam ye kun ngan sulong num tang po social media kaduk ka state jongi kendang hiar siar kayo kon kinong khayi pateng barit bariaru kinam la hiban khayi wada kli dia ru lada ye penyang lain oh ba jom ubisni ngadong ipi kin bon ki group ki jongi hi ki ba persya ya ka high level nama ka high level ka pen im tang hi kat to kat ne kapisa ka ba mla shu ban ya nyo ngadong ipi ka de ka biggest scam 4 day ka tu ka scam covid 4 day ka no ka scam ngadong ipi ba ukuramen shela ulang very accountable namar ba ka de ka origin jong unang thi ka ba ya ka high level ka collection shin ki bru ki jong u bat na po west kasi hill na mountain road na shalang ki bru jong jigur ki haba ki yak hari boya bagi ba ki trong ki mit kerteng ba kita ki bru jong ba jigur openly hapo market tengitip henry bangan accuse kita bro ngadon kami ke RTI yes ngudot bang FT baka high level hi kadai likely department ki belum legal accountable ta kadai ke mining and geology transport department last but not the least melumala ke police department tangki ni ken tien kuble shibut